Hello, today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2019, and I am sitting at the parking lot for Bahar Nature Preserve in Carpenter Falls in the town of Moravia, New York, down the west side of Skaneateles Lake. Kind of a hidden gem here in New York, and I'm going to show you a couple cool waterfalls and a nice trail down to the lake. A parking lot that fits maybe 6 or 7 cars, no ticket takers, no fences, no rules, no laws, just good old-fashioned wilderness to go check out something beautiful. It's very hard to find around here. Immediately out of the gate, you get 2 decisions on what you want to do. You can take a left here, and it's only a 1/10 of a mile to Carpenter Falls. So that is perfect for anybody that just wants to see a waterfall, doesn't want to get too much exercise in or go crazy on anything. Super easy, excellent reward. You can take a right and go down Bahar Preserve all the way down to Skaneateles Lake, which is about 1.1 miles away. Along the way, if you go down a side trail, you'll even see a second waterfall that is equally as beautiful as the first. So I think I'm probably going to check that out while I'm down there. But first, let's do the nice easy trail to Carpenter Falls. It's about 35 degrees right now, a little chilly, some snow on the ground, and muddy. But it's gorgeous, no rain. Now this waterfall you can actually get behind, but it's very snowy, very steep, treacherous terrain. So I decided to bring my micro spikes with me. Whew. So they'll help me get traction down the mud and through the snow so I can get behind this puppy and take a better look at it. So, Carpenter Falls, very short trail, easy to get to, gorgeous, and a hidden gem in New York. So, now it's time to take a right on that last junction I showed you and go down Bahar Nature Preserve, 1.1 miles of Skaneateles Lake, with a halfway point being another waterfall. It's also a little difficult to get down to, very steep, but I have my spikes on, so I ain't worried about a thing. Got to go down pretty steeply to get to the second waterfall. It's off trail, but once you get down, totally worth it. Going back up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whew, that climb out kicked my tuchus. Wow. Skaneateles Lake is starting to come into view. Getting close. There she blows, Skaneateles Lake. And whoop, I just scared off a flock of a couple hundred Canadian geese that are flying south for the winter. Listen to that. Check out this cool little farm tractor. Wow. Oh no, I'm in a pricker bush. Well, that concludes the hike. Made it back to the parking lot, and a little winded because it's uphill the entire way back, but real good exercise. Alright, so that is Bahar Nature Preserve and Carpenter Falls. What makes this hike so special is that it's like the perfect exercise hike. It's about 2.7 miles if you go to all the falls and down to the lake. And on the way, you get to see one waterfall, go half a mile, see another waterfall, go another half a mile, see the lake. So you get tons of places to stop and beautiful things to see. And then you get that, like I said, that beautiful distance, which is perfect for a good exercise, like 2 hours, hour and a half. And then tons of elevation, so it keeps that heart rate up and going. It's just a great way to get exercise and see some beautiful stuff. So that is the end of the hike. I'm going to head back and take a shower, and maybe I'll go on another one pretty soon and post one for you guys. So thanks for watching this New York hidden gem, and we'll see you next time.